Welcome back to Auto Drive Official, your trusted destination for next-gen car reviews. Today, we're diving into something bold, beautiful, and absolutely head-turning, the 2026 Honda Civic, now revealed in a stunning metallic pink finish. This isn't just another Civic, it's a statement. Packed with the latest in design, performance, and tech, this Civic blends elegance and innovation like never before. From its aggressive front facet to its luxurious interior, Honda has crafted a masterpiece ready for both city life and the open road. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a detailed tour inside and out. Front bumper view. As we approach the front, the 2026 Honda Civic greets us with an assertive stance. The redesigned bumper is sportier and sharper than ever before. The new LED matrix headlights, now slimmer and integrated with dynamic turn indicators, give the Civic a futuristic gaze. The wide honeycomb grille blends seamlessly into the front fascia, providing both aesthetics and aerodynamic functionality. Below, the aggressively styled air intakes are accented with gloss black surrounds, giving the pink color a striking contrast. The hood carries subtle muscular lines that lead your eye upward, showcasing Honda's careful attention to sporty elegance. Every detail here screams performance, but with class. Back bumper view. Moving to the rear, the Civic doesn't let up. The back bumper has been completely reimagined, now featuring integrated rear diffusers and twin chrome exhaust tips that add a performance vibe. The LED taillights sweep horizontally and wrap around the rear quarter, enhancing width perception. The pink tone here shines brilliantly under the showroom lights, giving it a playful yet premium vibe. The Civic badge sits proudly at the center, while a new, minimalist spoiler sits atop the boot lid. Parking sensors and a rear camera are seamlessly tucked away, maintaining a clean design. Overall, the rear bumper view is bold, polished, and perfectly proportioned, a modern twist to a timeless compact sedan. Left side full view. Now take a look at the left side profile. The Civic's silhouette in this generation has been lowered and lengthened, giving it a coupe-like presence while still being a practical four-door sedan. Flowing character lines stretch from the headlights to the taillights, carving into the pink paint like brushstrokes on a canvas. The side mirrors, now finished in piano black, are power-folding and equipped with blind spot monitors. The flush door handles blend with the body seamlessly, and the lower side skirts are sculpted with precision. The 18-inch alloy wheels, in a new turbine-style design, are finished in a polished gunmetal tone, providing a sleek contrast against the pink finish. This left side view perfectly captures the Civic's evolution: bold, aerodynamic, and luxurious. Right side doors open view. Let's open up the right side doors and peek inside. With all four doors open, the Civic welcomes you with an unexpectedly upscale interior. Soft ambient lighting glows from within, highlighting the leather-trimmed door panels, brushed aluminum handles, and refined stitching details. The wide rear doors allow easy access, showcasing the spacious backseat that now rivals midsize sedans in legroom and comfort. Honda's design team focused on maximizing both aesthetics and practicality. From the illuminated door sills to the smooth door dampers, everything feels intentional. The doors themselves are lighter, yet better insulated for noise cancellation. Whether you're entering as the driver or a passenger, the experience feels premium, like you're stepping into a car twice its price. Interior dashboard view. Step into the driver's seat, and you're met with what might be Honda's best Civic interior yet. The dashboard layout is clean, driver-centric, and layered with high-end materials. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays everything from speed to fuel economy with crystal clarity. At the center, a 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen floats just above the air vents, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda's latest AI voice assistant. The new honeycomb mesh runs across the entire dash, cleverly hiding the air vents and adding a unique textural element. The seats are trimmed in vegan leather, supportive for long drives, and heated in both front and rear rows. The steering wheel feels substantial, wrapped in stitched leather, with haptic controls that respond with a click. Add in a wireless charging pad, ambient cabin lighting, and a premium Bose audio system, and you've got a Civic cabin that rivals entry-level luxury brands. Top view. Seen from above, the 2026 Honda Civic reveals its aerodynamic elegance. The sloping roofline smoothly transitions into the rear deck, making the car look fast even at a standstill. The panoramic sunroof stretches nearly from the front windshield to the back, flooding the cabin with natural light. From this angle, the pink exterior appears almost pearlescent under the showroom lights, shifting tones between soft rose and bold magenta depending on how it catches the eye. The roof-mounted shark fin antenna and subtle contouring along the top edges complete the streamlined look. The top view reminds us just how cohesive Honda's design language has become. Every panel, every curve, every accent contributes to the Civic's premium, progressive look.